Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And we have our every 6 month Punta Cana Investors Forum. That's right, it's coming December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th in about a month. Get your tickets now. Why do you need to be there? If you're thinking about no credit check, no qualifying, real estate investing, pre construction, that's why you could be there. Are you thinking about starting a business, having your own SRL on the island, LLC, or accounting needed? Or you're thinking of another business opportunity? Either way, you are going to meet attorneys. That's right. That helps you out greatly. And in all forms and all walks of life, you're going to need accountants and things like that. You're going to need assistance. This is why you come down on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. The first day we go see attorneys. The second day we go around to check out a few projects, sit down with some developers, go through a couple of presentations. Maybe you like them, maybe you don't. But the fact of the matter is, you got to come down and see before you buy, see before you invest, see before you do any business or thinking about starting a business, because it does have a high tourist rate right now. So, what do we do on the third day? Well, some of those times you're going to need funding potentially. You have to understand whether you have a USD account or a Dominican peso account. That does matter. And you need to know the interest rates. They are not 2, 3, 4, 5%, 6%, 7% higher. That's right. And you have to understand what the qualifications are, because it's different than EU zone. It's different than United States. So let's come along for the ride and welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, I want to thank you so much for being here. Please share the videos, because you never know who's out here that needs to find out about this. Because a lot of people want to invest in real estate, they want to start businesses. They don't realize that offshore businesses, just like corporations do, oftentimes can bring you great rewards. So you want to come and look at things. We make sure you know the attorneys, the lawyers. We understand you should know banking. If you want to join us, and those of you who have already joined to come on this December SSN Lifestyle Punta Cana Investors Forum, then you need to send and set up banking info. The reason why, you don't open bank accounts in one day generally, unless you're going to be there 5 hours. We avoid that because of our ecosystem. We have attorneys, we have real estate agents, and their assistants go down to get pre-approved. So when you arrive in December, it will take an hour or less. Yes, that's right. Still going to take you an hour or less to get your bank account and get your debit card and have your accounts open and ready to do business. All right, just letting you know that. Now, let's get to the Stop Struggling Now YouTube podcast channel page, because I always have to show a few members over here on the right-hand side, courtesy of YouTube. Members receive special perks. It's under the community tab. I'll make this short and sweet, because what I want to do is go to the StopStrugglingNow.com website. You can go to the StopStrugglingNow.com website or the SSN Lifestyle website.com to find this here. As you can see, we make it plain and simple for you. $199 per person right now. Unless a few more people sign up, then the prices go up. But right now, $199 per person. It does not include airfare or where you're staying. Instructions will be, just like on this website, StopStrugglingNow.com. You can buy tickets here. And again, lawyers, Q&A, bring your questions. Real estate, business projects, real estate business areas, special SSN Nation payment plans What do I mean by that? Is when we are at the presentations for developers, sometimes they have these deals that are crazy. Put down 25%, then pay 40% during construction. Put down 20%, 40% during construction, 40% on delivery. Sometimes we try to get them down to put down as less as possible. We're trying to get that 10 to 15%. And occasionally, if you are serious and they're on the spot, we can get those type of concessions because we have power. So once again, come to ssnlifestyle.com to buy your tickets, or stopstrugglingnow.com to buy your tickets. We do have a WhatsApp group. It's called SSN Nation and Lifestyle. And if you need to get in contact with me, it's support@stopstrugglingnow.com for everybody on the podcast. Banking and loan info, as well as I mentioned on the outset, is very, very important. Each day, the second, third, and fourth, we're going to be doing something. All right, so just wanted to make that very, very clear. I have a few other things that I want to show you, such as the suggestions. Stay in Los Corrales. That's the first one. Second spot, El Cortecito. Los Corrales, because it's generally inexpensive to stay there. And at the same time, we leave from Los Corrales in the morning at around, well, not around, at 10 a.m. And then at 10:05 a.m., we're rolling. All right. And we're going down to our destinations. All right. Now, that's the first thing. And I explain it here, and humidity levels, suntan oil, and all those type of things as well, just to make sure you're comfortable. Now, with all that said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope to see a few more of you this December. December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th is our event, so I suggest you arrive December 1st. I suggest you depart on December 5th. So, either arrive before December 1st, or you can depart December 5th or after that, just to be clear. So let me know if you have any questions. You can comment down below and I'll help you out, or hit me up in the WhatsApp group, or as you know, support@stopstrugglingnow.com. And thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here. And that's why we try to put you in position to win. You can't just willy-nilly just go over the phone, make see some presentation by Zoom, and then think you're going to give somebody 10 or 20% down when something costs, I don't know, $200,000 sight unseen. That is not a very good situation. You need to come down and talk to people that are actually there, people that know a little more. I know a lot, but the people that are on the ground there know even more. So there may be questions that come up that you might not think about, because once you're there, you're actually realizing I'm sitting here right now, and this location, this time, now everything makes sense on why you may or may not want to purchase in particular areas. So that's one of the things, the banking and all that as well. The question and answer series that you're going to have is information that's generally not online. So that helps you as well. So please come along and join us. Get signed up now. You only have about 30 days before it starts. So I don't want anybody to miss out on this. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.